Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basic. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Valora wallet account. To delete your Valora wallet account, follow these quick steps. Before deleting, let me tell you that Valora is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you are the only one with access to your private keys. If you delete the app or lose access without backing up your recovery phrase, your funds could be lost permanently. So make sure to transfer your funds out of the wallet and back up your recovery phrase before proceeding to delete your account. After you are done with it, you can now go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner in order to proceed with the deletion. Now from the settings menu, click on Security and Privacy. Inside the Security and Privacy page, tap on Recovery Phrase and make sure to unlock your wallet and then write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper. After backing up your phrases, get back and then tap on this Delete Valora option at the very bottom of the screen. Click on Continue and then enter your PIN for your account. Make sure you write down these recovery phrases if you haven't already. If you have, you can toggle on the button at the bottom and click on Continue. Now enter your recovery phrases in the correct order on the next page. After selecting your recovery phrases in the correct order, on the next page, click on the Continue button to erase your wallet. As long as you have your recovery phrases, you can get access to your wallet anytime you want, even after deleting it. So that is how you easily delete your Valora wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.